Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And recently Microsoft update for Windows 10, so KB5023696, and lot of the issues fix and maintain the security purpose. So which one you have download? So dynamic, critical, and update. So we have only for update, and this is 21H2. Slow down, 22H2. This one download last 700 MB, 700 MB dot ham, and download. And guys, then show the link, so you can click. Now start the update file. So please wait few minutes and then download automatically, and then just guys double click to when op check it, open when done. And when guys 2 to 3 times to click to next and restart your systems, and then guys you restart your systems, so your problem solved and successfully installed. And I have an issue, so please comment me, I will make another videos for your